The two of us have lived in this 90 square foot school bus for 3 years. And honestly, it's been pretty easy. Well, until being forced to stay quarantined inside. The country of Panama has been on national lockdown for a month now, and we're starting to go a little stir crazy. So this is what we're doing about it.
We had a windstorm come through last night. I just made a mess of everything. Like all this stuff was nicely put away. Now look at it. We get wind around 50 to 60 miles an hour up here regularly during the windy season. And that's what happens. This is actually a really big night and a really big morning because last night was their first night not in their brooder box. So the brooder box is like that orange box we had them in. So last night they slept outside. They slept right here, probably underneath that heat lamp because it is a little bit chilly. Good morning, chickies. Top 3 types of bread of all time. What do you got?
Oh, 100% cinnamon raisins.
Cinnamon raisins, is it number 1 or is it in the top 3?
Well, you know, it really all depends on how I'm feeling. Like some days I'm feeling like a little sweet, a little tangy, you know, kind of situation going on.
Like a little ooh.
Like a little ooh. But then like other days I'm feeling like a pumpernickel, you know?
I don't know if I've ever had pumpernickel bread in my life.
What? Longhorn Steakhouse, pumpernickel bread with the sweet buttercream. Ooh, shit.
This was part of my childhood right here. Cinnamon raisin bread, a little bit of butter. Gentlemen, welcome back. It's all right, you can come on. Come on. Let's go. Every day around this time we get the herd of cattle that come back. I don't know how they're getting out, but today's Sunday, so I know there's definitely not gonna be any farmers looking for them because they're not gonna be up here till Tuesday. Quarantine rules here are still the same. No going out on the weekends. Men can only go out on Tuesday and Thursday. So Tuesday's when the farmers will be back. Go. Is this your favorite place ever? Is this your favorite place? That stick's way too big for you. We got big plans for today. We are doubling our living space.
By 50%. 100%.
100%.
100%.
We're going from 90 square feet to 180 square feet.
So today, we're setting up an assembly line. Let's get to work, baby.
Well, that took a lot longer than we thought it was going to.
Yeah, for sure.
We got a little fire going, and what we're planning on doing is routering off the corners of the boards and then burning that little strip that we cut off with the router. And we thought it'd go pretty quick, and how did it go?
It's taking friggin' all day, man. And we only did, what, 3 boards?
I'll say I wish we had the blowtorch going.
Oh, so much.
But it's just the way the cookie crumbles.
The way the cookie crumbles.
Let me see your router face.
My daddy will be so proud.
Dude, just feel this right now.
Feels like a baby's bottom.
This is one of the complete ones. Well, we haven't stained it yet, which will bring up like the nice orange. Oh my god, look at these hands.
I know. So we gotta rinse it first, and then we'll
rinse
stain
it, stain it. Ooh, it's gonna look so nice.
It's gonna feel so nice, just laying all over the deck and looking up at the stars and...
Now what are we gonna do?
I mean, we're already pretty dang dirty, so we might as well dirty ourselves up a little bit more and go play with some chickens. No, go out. We're gonna play
Go be
for
free.
a little while. Oh boy, look at Jodo, honey. Good. Be good.
So you guys want to smell their butts?
She's being so much better.
Look at their talons now, Kaylee. These are dinosaurs.
I know, dude. It's insane.
They're like raptors. Kaylee's the animal whisperer. She can just summon animals out of the forest. She gets a cow. She gets the chickens. Look at his ears flopping.
Look at, he's so sweet.
Look at his floppy ears.
He is such a sweetie. Come on. We're having a party. Come join the party.
I was like, no, you're not invited. Do you think this was all a plan manipulated by Lola? I've never seen a dog happier than right now. She's just like, she's running around with cows, she's running around with chickens, she's running miles away and exploring. And
so you think she's actually like psychic? And she, when we saw her for the first time in Idaho, she knew that we were easily manipulative?
Yeah, she manipulated us so hard into just buying a piece of land for her in Panama and getting a bunch of animals. It's like a cat lady. You know, the cat lady can't stop getting cats?
Yeah, you think she turned us into
a cat lady, but like...
But for all animals?
Just for her friends.
Just for her friends. Dude, you know she wants to eat those chickens so bad.
I know. I've been waiting to do this. And I came up with this video idea just so I could squirt you in the face with water. Stop!
I feel like it's starting to hit me what this is gonna feel like. We have all the boards kind of just resting on here for now, but I'm kind of, you know, getting a feel for what it's gonna be like to have this whole deck all done in just a couple days. And holy shiz, it's gonna feel so freaking good to double our living space essentially.
From 90 square feet to 180 square feet.
I have a feeling that we're probably gonna spend a lot more of our time on the deck than inside of the bus.
We'll see. We just heard that May is mosquito season and we haven't had the mosquitoes here yet.
True. And the rain's coming, so maybe we'll have to end up getting an awning.
Maybe a lot of mornings on the deck because there's no rain and no mosquitoes there.
Definitely a lot of mornings on the deck for sure. Coffee on the deck.
Alright, dude. Honest review of Zoolander.
My mouth is full.
We'll take a minute to chew it. I want to make it not red. Alright, we talked about this a few videos ago. And Kaylee hadn't seen Zoolander, and that's like one of my favorites.
I give it an 8 out of 10.
So we've been watching a lot of movies, and I'm sure a lot of you guys have been doing that too. A lot of movies, a lot of TV shows. And the only way that we were able to watch Zoolander is because we use a VPN. So I want to thank the sponsor of this video, which is Surfshark. Surfshark is a VPN and they've been sponsoring us for a while.
Long time.
So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, you can use, not only does a VPN help keep your information safe, so it puts a middleman in between you and anyone else that's trying to get your information, but you can also connect to one of the Surfshark servers. That's a tongue twister. Surfshark servers. You can also connect to one of the Surfshark servers in over 60 different countries, and that gives you access to different shows. So here's an example, and I actually have Surfshark on right here, and you can see I'm already connected to the United States in Miami. So now if I go over to Netflix, you can see if I search, when I search for Vikings, the TV show Vikings doesn't pop up because in the United States you can't watch Vikings on Netflix. But if I disconnect from the United States, now let me go back to Netflix and I search for Vikings, and you see in the top left corner, there it is. There's the show. So there's a lot of shows and movies like that where if you connect to different parts of the world, you get access to different shows, different movies. I don't have like a list of all these. You kind of just gotta test it and figure it out. So a big thank you to Surfshark for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to try them out, if you want to try out a VPN, there's a link in the description. And if you use promo code Nomadic, you get 83% off and you get 1 extra month for free. It's 5:30 a.m. right now, and the International Space Station is right over the volcano. I want to see if I can get a photo. Morning. Let me just get away from the generator real quick. Hi, good girl. Good morning. Good morning. Well, we started early this morning. Got working maybe around 7 o'clock. It's only about 9 right now. Look how beautiful it is right here. These are the types of days that we bought this land for. It's unbelievable when it's nice out. It's difficult when it's windy and rainy, but we're hoping we can finish up the deck today. We might be biting off more than we can chew, thinking we can do this all in one day, but we want to expand our living space really, really bad. It will be a game changer. We haven't lived with that much space in 3 years. The only thing I don't like about the cows is stepping in these. These are everywhere. I know it's great for the soil, and I'm gonna use it to compost, but while I'm trying to pick it all up, I've stepped in so many cow pies. These guys are all watching me weld. Hi guys. We built something!
This thing is solid, baby, but we still gotta add a couple more supports. Is it time? Can I do it? Love, we just built a deck.
We did?
Should we put the boards on top and see what it looks like?
Where are we?
Today has been probably the longest day and the most amount of work we've put into this deck because we just want it done. We want to be able to enjoy it and come out here and use it. So I think it's time.
What day is it?
To lay the boards on top.
Lola girl, look, we built something for you. We built you something. Look at what's it? What's this? Oh, is this your new deck?
This is our new deck. Can you believe it?
So we just put a couple boards up here for now, because there's still a lot to do with the welds. Got to grind those down and just put one more coat of paint on it, clean it all off. But dang, it looks so good.
This is gonna be life-changing, you know.
Just within like 4 days, we doubled our living space. It's like
we're gonna be spending a heck of a lot of time out here.
Maybe we should put the toilet out here. Can you imagine sitting right there and going to the bathroom, looking out at the volcano?
We could keep one in the bus and one out here, so when it's raining, you know.
You know, there's nothing like a poop with a view.
Nothing like a poop with a view. We've been having poops with views for a very long time.
Yeah, but this view is.
Watch out.
Go back, Lola.
Go back, honey. So this is, ooh, sorry, love.
Sorry.
So this thing was completely full, obviously, when we got it. So this is probably going to be their last batch of, what do you call this? Feed? Corn?
Chicken feed.
Chicken feed, which is basically just,
Lola.
I think, ground up corn.
Lola loves it. She's always trying to eat it.
But after this batch, we really want to start feeding them some sort of organic food, whether it be like kitchen scraps or some other, you know.
I think it's going to end up being probably some combination. I don't know if we'll be able to get organic chicken food here.
If any of you guys have experience giving your chickens organic food of any sort, or if you make your own chicken food, let us know, because that's what we would love to do eventually.
Well, as you guys can see, these two have left me to close out the vlog on my own. Both. I'm sorry. I'm gonna keep this quick so these guys can pass out. I just want to thank you guys for coming along on this journey with us, and for watching this video, and writing us comments and emails and all that stuff. So that's where I'm gonna leave this one. I'm gonna hop in bed. I'm gonna pass out. We're starting to get up early and earlier because it's gonna be the rainy season soon. And that's when you have to get everything done before 1 p.m. So we're starting to get up around 5:30 so we can make the most of the sunset. So got our alarm set for 5. We'll be up bright and early. We'll see you guys next time.